Oh my god, you guys. Okay. The cool keyboard arrived. I've been trying to position this so I can like film it typing, which I'll do in a minute, but like look. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And this bit, you can like, oh, if I do this, you can, I think, change the, there you go. You can like toggle the colors. It's so satisfying. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to try and record it doing the tippy tappy. Let's see. I'm actually typing in the Discord chat whilst I do this. There we go. Okay, my typing is really, really bad. But listen to the tippy tappy. It's so nice. Okay, I'm going to start this and